Here's an easy cardio crunch leg segment. Ready? Arms out at the ready. Squat. Attach the opposite toe. Squat, opposite toe. That's all there is. Squat, here come the abs. There's the thighs and a crunch. If you do it quickly, it's more cardio. There's 8, I'll do 7 more. 7, 6, 5. The more explosive, the harder you're working. And for those of you who want to do it all, I'll keep going. I'll do 8 more. 8, squat. Pull 7, squat. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Good little cardio leg core segment. Enjoy.